Hello students of 11th Commerce, I am Prabha. In my previous video of part 2 of Nature and Purpose of Business, I had explained about objective of business, types of objective of business, economic, social and human objectives of business. In this video, part 3 of Nature and Purpose of Business, I am going to explain about multiple objectives of business, role of profit in business, is profit the sole objectives of business, and function of business. Let me explain one by one. The first topic is multiple objective of business. Students, a business organization must set multiple objectives for its long-term survival and growth. According to Peter F. Drucker, who had suggested 8 key areas where objectives of a business enterprise must be set. According to Peter F. Drucker, multiple objectives of business are as: the first is market standing. The position of an enterprise in relation to its competitors is called market standing. For example, position of Reliance Jio in relation to Airtel or Vodafone. The next is innovation. Creating new ideas are called innovation. Innovations are very important for a business enterprise in this competitive world. For example, Videocon introduced LCD TV with inbuilt DTH facility. The next multiple objective of business is productivity. The comparison of the value of output with the value of input is called productivity. It is used as a measure of efficiency. Every business enterprise must aim to achieve greater productivity through best possible use of available resources. The next multiple objective of business is physical and financial resources. Every business enterprise must aim to acquire physical resources, that is plant, machinery, etc., and financial resources, for example funds, according to its requirement and must use them efficiently. The next multiple objective of business is earning profits. Profit earning is the main objective of every business enterprise. Every business enterprise aims to earn a reasonable profit in order to survive and grow in this competing world. The next multiple objective of business is manager performance and development. Students, manager performance and development is an important objective of business enterprise as they conduct and coordinate all business activities. So, every business enterprise must actively work for development of managers' performance. The next multiple objective of business is worker performance and attitude. Every business enterprise must aim to improve performance of the workers and to develop positive attitude among them, as their performance and attitude directly influence the productivity and profitability of every enterprise. The last multiple objective of business is social responsibility. The obligation of business firms to contribute resources for solving social problems and work in a socially desirable manner is called social responsibility of a business enterprise. Every business enterprise is a part of society and it uses resources of the society. So it must meet the expectation of the society. My next topic is role of profit in business. Profit is the main motive of every economic activity, and all of us know that business is an economic activity. It must earn sufficient profit to cover its cost and to provide opportunities for growth. The role of profit in business are as the first is survival. Any business organization can survive in long run only when the organization is able to earn adequate profits. The next role of profit in business is expansion and growth. Every business organization needs sufficient amount of capital for its expansion and growth. Profit acts as a source of finance to meet requirement of expansion and growth of the business. The next role of profit in business is measure of efficiency. Higher profits indicate the efficient working of business. The efficiency and prosperity of a business is measured through the profit it earns. The next is reward of risk bearing. There is a lot of risk while carrying out business activities. Profit is considered as a reward for bearing all these risks. The next role of profit in business is better reputation and goodwill. Profit plays an important role to maintain better reputation and goodwill. A company with better reputation and goodwill is able to attract and retain talented workforce. And students, now you are able to understand what is the role of profit in business. My next topic is profit the sole objectives of business? All of we know that profit is the main objective of business, but profit maximization is an essential objective of business. It cannot be the sole objective of business due to the given reason. The first is corrupt practices. If profit maximization becomes only one objective of business, then business may engage in unfair means like hoarding, black marketing, adulteration, etc. in order to achieve the aim of profit maximization. The next is leads to exploitation. If profit maximization becomes only one objective of business, then a business may trying to earn more and more profit and exploit workers by paying them less and providing low quality goods to customers. The next is long term interest. Too much emphasis on profit may lead to ignorance of long term interest of a business, that is, pursue social responsibility along with earning profit. So, finally, it can be said that profit earning is not the sole objective of business, but profit earning through service to society should be the real objective of business. And students, now you are able to understand what is the real objective of business. My next topic is function of business. Business has a wide variety of functions which are performed by different kinds of organization. The four major functions performed by business enterprise are as: first is financing. Mobilizing and utilizing funds for running a business is called financing. The next is production. Conversion of raw material into finished products or generation of services is called production. Next is marketing. All those activities which facilitate exchange of goods and services from producers to the users or consumers is called marketing. The next is human resource management. Ensuring the availability of working people who have necessary skills to perform various tasks in a business enterprise is called human resource management. All these functions are performed by business enterprise. And students, I think you all understand the multiple objectives of business, role of profits. In business, is profit the sole objectives of business and function of business? Remaining topic of this chapter will continue in next videos. If you have any confusion, you can ask in the comment section of this channel. Please like, share and subscribe for latest updates. Thank you, students.